Throughout history, comets have been some of the most awe-inspiring and mysterious sights in the night sky. Over the last 30 years, we've been treated to some truly remarkable cometary displays. Now a new comet is poised to steal the show, Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS. In 1997, a comet so bright it was visible even from light-polluted cities graced our skies. This was Comet Hale-Bopp, a celestial visitor that captivated the world for an astonishing 18 months. Its extended visibility set it apart, making it one of the longest observed comets in recorded history. Hale-Bopp's grandeur wasn't just about its brightness, its distinct double tail was a sight to behold. One tail, a bluish streak, was composed of ionized gases propelled by the solar wind. The other, a broader, whiter tail, consisted of dust particles liberated from the comet's nucleus. Hale-Bopp's appearance sparked widespread interest in astronomy, drawing both amateur and professional stargazers alike. Its long-lasting presence allowed for extensive observations, providing valuable data for scientists studying cometary composition and behavior. The Great Comet of 1997, as it came to be known, left an indelible mark on the collective memory. Fast forward to 2007, and the Southern Hemisphere was treated to a spectacular celestial performance by Comet McNaught. This comet, officially designated C2006P1, became one of the brightest comets seen in over 4 decades. Its brilliance was so intense that it was visible even during daylight hours, a rare feat for any comet. As McNaught reached its perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, its tail flared dramatically, stretching across the sky in a breathtaking display. The composition of McNaught's tail, a mixture of dust and gas, created a stunning visual effect with intricate structures and subtle color variations. Photographs of McNaught with the sunset or sunrise in the background became instantly iconic. For many observers in the Southern Hemisphere, McNaught was a once-in-a-lifetime event. Its unexpected brilliance and dramatic tail made it a truly unforgettable spectacle. In the midst of the global pandemic of 2020, a celestial visitor offered a much-needed respite from the anxieties of the time. Comet Neowise, officially designated C2020F3, graced the skies with its long, luminous tail, captivating stargazers around the world. Neowise quickly became a social media sensation with countless photos and videos shared online. Its appearance provided a shared experience during a time of isolation, connecting people through a common sense of wonder. Visible even to the naked eye, Neowise was the brightest comet in over 2 decades for Northern Hemisphere observers. The comet's name, an acronym for Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, reflects its discovery by the Neowise Space Telescope. Neowise's appearance served as a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature, even in the face of global challenges. Comet Lovejoy, officially designated C2011W3, defied expectations and made headlines in 2011 as a sun-grazing comet. Its trajectory took it perilously close to the Sun, so close that many astronomers believed it wouldn't survive the intense heat and gravitational forces. Lovejoy's close encounter with the Sun was a dramatic event. As it plunged towards our star, it experienced extreme temperatures and tidal forces that threatened to tear it apart. Against all odds, however, Lovejoy emerged from its solar flyby, albeit transformed. The comet's icy nucleus was significantly depleted by the Sun's heat, but it survived the encounter. What emerged on the other side was a spectacular sight, a revitalized tail glowing brightly as it interacted with the solar wind. Lovejoy's resilience captivated astronomers and skywatchers alike. The comet's journey provided valuable data for scientists studying the composition and behavior of comets under extreme conditions. Let's turn our attention to Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, officially designated C2023A3. Discovered by astronomers in China and identified by Atlas in Hawaii, this comet is generating excitement. As of this recording, Tsuchinshan-ATLAS just passed perihelion to the Sun and is now headed towards its closest approach to Earth. As it makes its way around the Sun, its icy nucleus will sublimate, forming its coma and tail. Predictions suggest it could become exceptionally bright, rivaling great comets of the past. But comets are unpredictable. Their brightness can fluctuate dramatically. Astronomers will closely monitor its activity, tracking its brightness and tail development. Let's talk about when and where to catch a glimpse of Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS. The best viewing opportunities will occur mid-October, when the comet hopefully reappears near Earth brighter than ever. Starting around October 10th, if all goes well, the comet should be visible after sunset near the horizon in the west. With every passing day, Tsuchinshan-ATLAS will start the evening higher in the sky and be easier to spot, unless it gets too dim. Find a location far from city lights to maximize your viewing experience. Binoculars or a small telescope will enhance your view considerably. Stay tuned to astronomy websites, apps, and social media for updates on the comet's position and brightness. While the prospect of a bright comet like Tsuchinshan-ATLAS is exciting, it's crucial to remember that comets are inherently unpredictable. These icy wanderers can be fickle, and their behavior as they approach the sun can be difficult to forecast with absolute certainty. Some comets, initially predicted to become spectacular displays, can fizzle out unexpectedly. Conversely, some comets can surprise us, exceeding expectations and becoming even brighter than predicted. The unpredictable nature of comets stems from the complex interplay of factors that influence their behavior. Even with sophisticated models and advanced observational techniques, predicting a comet's behavior remains a challenging task. There's always an element of chance involved, a cosmic gamble that adds to the excitement and anticipation. This uncertainty is part of what makes comet watching so captivating. From the unforgettable Hale-Bopp to the recent wonder of Neowise, comets have always inspired awe and wonder. And now, with Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS potentially gracing our skies in the coming weeks, we're on the cusp of another cosmic treat. Mark your calendars, prepare your telescopes, and get ready for a potentially spectacular celestial show.